Hi, so we're Tech Squad. I'm Kylie.
I'm Gabby.
I'm Anna.
I'm Danielle.
So we're going to be talking about how does a flipped classroom lesson differ from a traditional classroom lesson. So there's a lot of different instructional strategies that go into a flipped classroom and a traditional classroom. It's a type of blended learning that reverses the traditional learning environment by revealing instructional content out online and outside of the classroom. So it's not just a lecture and the student listens. It moves activities, including those that may have traditionally been considered homework, into the classroom. Gabby?
And then when using videos in a flipped lesson, how long should the videos be? So when using a video in a flipped lesson, the video should only be between 5 and 15 minutes. So not super long, not super short. You don't want to, make the kids get bored of the video, but you also don't want it to be super short where they're not learning anything or gaining anything from it. And then the video should just be a short summary. It doesn't have to be as long as the actual course or what you're explaining. And the videos are to give students an idea of the information, but do not have to go into depth.